Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to get backup codes on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, then tap on profile icon and click on three line option and click on account center and scroll down, tap on password and security. Okay, just tap on two-factor authentication, click on Instagram. Okay, just tap on next. Your code, just copy, and that's all. Use this code to get backup codes on Instagram. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.